Here we are with video number 4 of the cell cycle. What I've done is brought up the diagram that you may have seen in your textbook today, close-up of the structure of DNA. Notice how there are 4 nitrogen bases: thymine, guanine, cytosine, and adenine. Notice that those nitrogen bases always match up with the same nitrogen base. Adenine matches up with thymine, cytosine matches up with guanine. Same here, cytosine, guanine, adenine, thymine. So you can tell because where they connect is a different shape in each of the nitrogen bases, so it can only connect with its pair. Other parts of the DNA structure: phosphate is this blue area here, and deoxyribose is the tan part, which is a type of sugar. So not only is glucose a type of sugar, deoxyribose, or DNA, is a type of sugar, or at least it has a type of sugar in it. All right, let me close this window. The two sides of the DNA ladder are made up of molecules of a sugar called deoxyribose, alternating with molecules known as phosphates. Each rung of the DNA ladder is made up of a pair of molecules called nitrogen bases. Nitrogen bases are molecules that contain the element nitrogen and other elements. There are 4 kinds of nitrogen bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. The capital letters A, T, G, and C are used to represent the 4 bases. The bases on one side of the DNA ladder match up in a specific way with the bases on the other side. Adenine only pairs with thymine, while guanine only pairs with cytosine. This pairing pattern is the key to understanding how DNA replication occurs. The replication process. The DNA replication begins when the two sides of the DNA molecule unwind and separate, like a zipper unzipping. As you can see in the diagram below, let me get to that diagram, the molecule separates between the paired nitrogen bases on each rung. Next, nitrogen bases that are floating in the nucleus pair up with the base on each half of the DNA molecule. Remember that the pair of bases follows definite rules. A always pairs with T, and G, while G always pairs with C. Once the new bases are attached, 2 new DNA molecules are formed. The order of the bases in each new DNA molecule will exactly match the order in the original DNA molecule. So these nitrogen bases are just free floating in the cytoplasm. Excuse me, they're in the nucleus at this time. And that is that.